Wait, the video was for one recipe, not three. Well, sorry for the confusion. This actual tortilla here was made by accident when reviewing the other two. Candy from Candy Unwrapped reviewed one of my carnivore tortillas and made some tweaks to it. I'll be sure to leave a link to her channel in the description below. Now, in my more recent videos, I've used a lot of egg white protein powder, but in my older ones, I used liquid egg whites from the carton. But the powdered version is super concentrated and way higher in protein, which is great if you're trying to boost your intake. Now, if we were to use egg whites in a carton, let's say a quarter cup, which I'm using here, that's 7 grams of protein. But if we use a quarter cup of water and then mix in 2 tablespoons of egg white protein powder, that's 21 grams of protein, 3 times what just the egg whites offer. Alright, so to recap for this recipe, we're going to need 1/4 cup water with 2 tablespoons egg white protein powder. Now you want to continue mixing this until you reach stiff peaks. And while you could use regular egg whites, there's a method to my madness, and there's a reason behind me mixing my egg whites to stiff peaks most of the time, and I'll share that tip in my next video. Next, you'll need 1/3 cup rind flour. It's super fine, and that's really important here. And if you're wondering, how do you make rind flour? I've got a video on how to make it, and it also adds about 16 grams of protein to this recipe. And once you've added your rind flour, we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up. Now, when you start to mix everything together, don't panic if the fats from the pork rind flour start to break down those stiff peaks. That's totally normal. Now, if you're using an electric tortilla press, which I highly recommend, always start on the lowest heat setting. Once you get the hang of it, you can bump it up. Now, place about a heaping tablespoon of the batter on the press. Press it down quickly, release right away, and then just let the handle rest on top. It usually works like a charm, but there is a slight learning curve to an electric tortilla press. But once you get it down, you'll be making quick and easy tortillas. Look at how good these came out. Super tasty, high protein, low carb, totally keto, and carnivore friendly. And if you're craving something different, try my high protein lasagna or my crazy good carnivore corn dogs. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.